sky codeine, and amber. I'm glad you was ready to find your way back to Richie's Frag Collection. And if you're new here, also welcome to Richie's Frag Collection. And guess what I have in store for all of y'all today? I know you already know, an unboxing video. But this one is very unique. Wait till you get a load of this one. So we're back with Moschino's Toy Boy. Try to say that again without laughing, right? Toy Boy. Anyway, alright, so outside of its unique aesthetic, interesting name choice, it's a rose fragrance. A lot of guys ain't ready for the rose. A lot of guys don't like the flowers. I get it. But for your boy here, I love it. One of my favorite #1 date night scents. Ladder Week to Home from Yves Saint Laurent. Great fragrance, gang. Got to get your hands on it if you don't already have it. But that's for another video, and that's going to be coming up. But right now, we're here with Toy Boy. And so, I picked this up mainly because I needed another fragrance to add for the summer. Something that I, as I go through my 1-2s, I could get something good for the summer, something nice. This one here is said to be a woody, spicy fragrance. We opened up another one lately with that same vibe, and we love it. So we're gonna check this one out. We're gonna crack this boy open and get a whiff of the Toy Boy. That came out very, very weird. But y'all know what we talk about. You know why we here. We want to see if Toy Boy is worth adding to the frag collection for the summer. And so we about to find out. Let's get it open. Let's crack him open. Let's break it open. I gotta find a better slogan. I gotta find a better. I had to find a better way to express ripping open the package. So let's get to it, gang. Let's find out what's inside the box. But before we do that, because look here, it's itching to be, yes. But let's get to some of the aesthetics first outside. It's a 50 ml bottle and a parfum. Right, okay, look here in the back, we got the stats here. Okay. Nice little bottle, black box, Let's get to it, gang. Let's get to it. Ooh, so this is glossy. Fingerprint, oh, it matches the name. Okay, let's get to it. Okay. Ooh. Look at this bottle, gang. Y'all can't tell me that thing ain't unique. Y'all can't tell me that's gonna look, when they see that on your display case, they're gonna be like, what is that? And you're gonna be like, that's that Toy Boy. You ain't ready for it. They're not gonna be ready for that. Okay, And look, we got the bear cap. Look at him. Okay, all right. We'll put Teddy down right here. Put a little Moschino down there. Let's get to a little tester strip. Let's see. Let's get the atomizer. See what it's popping off like. Oh! That boy's strong. Okay. I can smell that flowers. I can smell the rose. Yeah. I can see how some guys are gonna be like, nope, I don't want no parts of that. Cause it's very flower, like, it's like legitimate rose right here, gang. A legitimate rose right here. Yes. This is something, cause you know I'm a streetwalker. Y'all know, if y'all don't know, y'all gonna find out. Your boy's a streetwalker, right? That came out kind of raw. We're gonna rewind now. We're gonna do something else. We're gonna say something else, cause that came out. But your boy is a man of the night. How about that? A man of the night, your boy Richie Blue. And this is where I'm rocking this right here. I go to them like the nice venues I like, you know, them adult venues. Oh my, oh, gang, we got one. Yup, definitely for the summer, definitely for the nighttime. That's how I'm rocking it. That's how I'm gonna be carrying it. Oh wow, this is, and gang. I know the last time you went and bought flowers for your girl or for your mom, for that special someone, I know y'all smelt this. Matter of fact, next time you go buy some roses for that special somebody, get a whiff. And that's Toy Boy. Word up. Right? And you know, gang, y'all know that I'm new with the fragrance journey. So y'all know that everything isn't always on point, like how, you know, the experienced frag heads are, how they can tell you every single thing that's in the bottle. I'm not there yet. I'm trying to get there. But one thing is for certain. This is a bottle of roses, and I just don't know what else to tell you. This is good. This is good. Toy Boy is said to be a woody, spicy fragrance. Haven't we heard that before lately? Now, let's look at the notes. Top notes are pink pepper, nutmeg, and bergamot. Middle notes are rose, clove, and magnolia. Base notes, vetiver, cashmere, sandalwood, and amber. Oh snap, let's put the head back on this boy. Let's put the top back on this boy right here. So, is Moschino Toy Boy worth adding to the collection? Now, first things first, if you don't like the way roses smell, you don't want to smell like flowers in your 1-2, then this ain't for you. Keep it pushing. Like that round right there? You like that round right there? Okay. But for real, gang, if you don't like flowers, alright, this ain't for you. But if you like the way flowers smell, you're cool with walking around smelling all flowery and roses, you got you one. When you gonna wear it? Well, your boy here, this could be rocked winter, summer. Let's try it again. This can be rocked during the fall, the winter, the spring, and some parts of the summer. Now for your boy, for the summer, I'm gonna be rocking them on those nights when the sun goes down, cause y'all know how I am. I'm the man in the streets. I stay out in the streets at night. That's what I be like. But yes, I'm a man of the night. So this is when I'm gonna be rocking at. When I go to them nice venues, or I got that nice little date, yeah, your boy gonna be smelling a little rosy. You know what I mean? Your boy gonna be smelling a little rosy. But yeah, this joint's nice. It's good. Definitely add to your collection. Definitely Richie Blue approved. So gang, now, if you made it this far and you enjoyed the video, hit that like button. Oh well, I'm out here spitting on my game. My bad. I mean, hold on. So gang, if you made this far in the video and you enjoyed yourself, you got you a few laughs, you learned something, hit that like button. And if you want to see more of Richie's collection and some of the videos I'm putting together, hit that subscribe button and we'll see each other soon. But before you leave, what fragrance are you rocking today? List it down in the comments. Richie Blue's gonna check you out. Now frag out. The reason why I purchased it